everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So I'm Akashia from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm a BTech graduate in electrical engineering, and now I am preparing for post graduation. And along with my studies, I'm a content creator on Instagram and I'm a self-trained makeup artist. So I am here with you all to just get you introduced with some basics of makeup and to just create beautiful festive looks. So here I am with a beautiful festive look, you can see, and it is like a glam and a colorful look. So what's the wait? Let's get started. So let's prep our skin. So I'm using the Face Shop Hydrating Toner to hydrate my skin really well. After toner, I'm going to go with this moisturizer. This is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Moisturizer, and this is my favorite moisturizer and it suits all skin types. I'm just going to take a very little pump of it and apply all over my face just by dabbing. Before doing makeup, it is really very important that your skin preparation is done really well. So I'm just gonna dab the eye makeup. I'm just gonna use the concealer. This palette is from Go Gorgeous and it is a really great concealer palette for all shades. So I'm gonna go a shade which matches my skin tone and a little lighter to it. So the concealers help you to hide all the dark circles that you have. So just apply the whole product onto your eyes. Now I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender with a very light dabbing motion. Now for setting my eye base, I'm going to go to use my Miss Clear Banana Loose Powder. I highly suggest you to go for a loose powder because the loose powder really has a very fine particles which helps your concealer to be on point. So just take the loose powder on your beauty sponge and just dab it and apply it all over your eyes. I'm just going to do a eye makeup which is going to be really very simple and that you guys can wear and learn. So I'm going to use this brush which is from Pro Arte. This is a fluffy blending brush and this blending brush is perfect to get a perfect eye makeup. So today I'm going to use a very light color with sort of some shimmers. So like this pink shade on above of my crease, and guys, you have to just hold your brush like this and blend like it to and fro and circular at the outer corners. So this is the right way of blending it. Shimmer eyeshadows and apply all over your lid with your hand, and this is a really good way of application as it will get the perfect payoff. So I'm just going to apply all over my lid. So to add more beauty to it, I'm going to use TS Cosmetic Loose Glitters. Now going up with the blue eyeliner which is from Lakme, and this has made my eyes really dramatic and colorful but glam and beautiful at the same time. So I'm just loving this. So now what we are going to do is take a kajal and apply it under our lash line, and now we are going to take our Forever 52 eyeshadow palette, and from that palette we are going to take the exact same blue shade and with the help of a pencil brush we are going to apply it. Now highlighting our inner corners with my favorite palette which is from Forever 52 again. So let's add some volume to our eyelashes. Let's apply some mascara. Now I'm using the Color Bar Face Primer to provide a base to my face makeup, and now going with my favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation, applying with the help of a kabuki brush for a uniform distribution of the product. And now I'm gonna blend that foundation in circular motion and in the downward direction. And now I'm gonna use a sponge to provide a natural finish. I'm going with a concealer which will hide my pigmentation, dark spots, under eyes, each and everything. And this palette is from Go Gorgeous and it's really a great palette. And now I am blending the concealer with the help of the sponge just only by dabbing so that it hides all the pigmentation. Now setting up my concealer with the Miss Clear Loose Powder, and it's really a great product. And now I'm setting up my waist with the Maybelline Compact Powder. It really provides a natural finish to my face and I love it. So now I'm using this Forever 52 palette for contouring, applying the contour powder in a circular motion, sharpening up my jawline, and then going to the forehead. If you have a really broad forehead, just contour a little bit more. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flatten up my brush and contour my nose really well. Applying some blush and going with the highlighter from the same palette which I used for contouring. And for highlighting, you need to see these steps, and this is the favorite part of my makeup. Now comes the time of filling up my eyebrows. So I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow cake and filling the gaps of my eyebrows to provide a definite and a beautiful shape to it. It looks so good. Now taking up the spoolie and just blending the shadow well. So now comes the time of the lips. So I'm using a lip liner to provide my lips a definite shape. Now taking up my favorite lipstick, which is from Attitude, and applying this lighter pink shade. Now taking up some sugar lipstick and just tapping more some color to it. Comes the favorite eyelashes, and now we are done. So I hope you all like this tutorial, and if you really want to learn more about it, what is smoky, what is cut crease, so we're going to learn more with our workshops, live classes and my tutorials. And last not the least, I would like to give a big thanks to Festival of India for coming up with such a beautiful idea and introducing this beautiful platform to us so that we may outshine our talents and meet such a beautiful and talented people around us. And it's a really great way of celebrating festival in this pandemic and learning lot and lot of things. So thank you, Festival of India.